Now we're learning how to factor a sum of cubes. A sum of cubes follows one special pattern. A cubed plus b cubed factors into a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Here's how you use it step by step. First, identify a and b from a cubed plus b cubed. Second, write the first parentheses, a plus b. Third, write the second parentheses, a squared minus ab plus b squared. How do you know what a and b are? You look at the expression a cubed plus b cubed, and you take the cube root of each term. The cube root of x cubed is x. The cube root of 8 is 2. Whatever numbers were cubed, those are your a and b. Example 1. We are factoring x cubed plus 8. The cube root of x cubed is x. So a equals x. The cube root of 8 is 2, so b equals 2. Now create the first parentheses. A plus b becomes x plus 2. Now build a squared minus ab plus b squared. A squared is x squared. AB is x times 2, so that's 2x. B squared is 4. That gives x squared minus 2x plus 4. So the final factored form is x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. Example 2. Now we have 27x cubed plus 64. The cube root of 27x cubed is 3x. So a equals 3x. The cube root of 64 is 4, so b equals 4. Now let's walk through an example. The explanations are written on the screen, so take your time reading them as you follow along. The final factored form is 3x plus 4 times 9x squared minus 12x plus 16. Pause the video here and try these 3 examples on your own. When you're ready, press play and I'll show the full solution visually. Every sum of cubes uses the same pattern. Identify a and b. Write a plus b. Then write a squared minus a, b plus b squared. Memorize the pattern and these problems become very fast.